Hey everyone, so if you want to improve your pronunciation using your phone, Google Translate can actually help a lot. I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step to sound more natural when speaking. First, open Google Translate and set your target language, like English. This is the language you want to practice speaking. Now type a word or a short sentence you want to learn. Keep it simple at first so you can focus on pronunciation clearly. Next, tap the speaker icon to hear the correct pronunciation. Listen carefully to how each word sounds. Now repeat the word or sentence out loud. Try to match the tone and rhythm. You can replay it as many times as you want. Now tap the microphone and try saying the same sentence yourself. Google will convert your speech into text so you can check if it understood you correctly. If the text doesn't match what you said, try again and adjust your pronunciation. This helps you improve faster over time. And that's it. Just practice like this every day, and your pronunciation will improve naturally. It's simple, but really effective.